I'm going to show you guys my slimes that I made on Easter, and it's not even Easter yet. It's a Saturday. So this is the packet that it came in. It came in a really cute packet. And this is the slime. This is what it looks like. It's really gooey and everything. So this is it. Daddy, this is my slime. Look. Look, this is my slime. It feels like there's boogers in it. It really feels like there's boogers. Feels like there's boogers. Yeah, feels like there's boogers in this slime.
I always wondered what that was at.
Don't touch it.
I know, but I always wanted.
Daddy, look how sticky it is.
So that's slime?
Yeah, this is like real slime. This is real slime. Okay, I don't want to do it with both hands. Yeah. This is real slime, guys.
I want to play with slime.
Yeah, this is absolutely real slime. Don't slap me. Don't. I'm going to hit you with the slime.
No, not him.
Wow. Wow.
Oh, no.
Don't. Yes. So this is the slime. Daddy, want to touch it? Want to touch it, Daddy?
Ah!
Get off of me.
That's sticky.
Yeah, so it's like real sticky slime. Let me take it out. No, it's real. No, I can't really. Okay, I'm gonna have to go wash my hands after this. This slime is like really like. I want a plate. Can I get a plate? Never
We're
mind.
missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This is slime. 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 This slime is very sticky. My slime. This is my slime, not anyone else's.
Yeah.
My brother's slime is over there, just sitting on the counter. It's not even a container yet, so like. From Easter, it might be dried out. No, it's not. This slime does never dry out. Stop. This is like really like sticky, super duper sticky slime. I'm gonna go wash my hands now since I touched it. Okay. Put this. Alright, let's go wash my hands. How my hands look after touching the slime. Like, it's gross.
Ew, no, that's the water. After you touch slime. Slime,
Andrew! Come down here!
What? Dad wants you.
meteor shower tonight at 11 o'clock in California, which gives me 2 hours before 11 o'clock. And we haven't even eaten dinner yet. So let me close this up. Alright. I'll see you guys after. Alright, I'll see you guys when the meteor shower happens.